Hey guys, it's me, Lego Bro 3, coming at you with, that kind of rhymed, sorry about that. Anyway, coming at you with another review. Today's review, we have the Battle of Naboo. This is a very nice set, not quite the biggest, it's a pretty small set. It took me about 15 minutes to build, somewhere around 10-15 minutes. Yeah, not very hard at all. The main part that took me a long time was just putting together all those droids. Anyway, the extra pieces that you get are right here. Yep, so that's the extra pieces that you get. And now let's get on to the figures. Okay, so starting off, oh yeah, and by the way guys, Happy New Year. If it's New Year right here where I am, it's January 1st, so Happy New Year. Starting off with the review, we have this guy. It's a new design of a droid pilot, a battle droid pilot, or a droid pilot, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, he's a new design. The only thing that's new about him is his torso, and I'll show you all that. There's his torso. It's got just like, it's how it's supposed to be basically. It's not just completely blue like the old one was. So yeah, and then he's just got regular droid parts. Other than that, just a blue torso. Sorry if you can hear my cat, guys. My cat is right there. Kitty, Mickey, come here. I don't know, you can kind of see him through there. Yeah, now he's leaving. Anyway. Alright, so continuing with the review. Sorry about that, I just had to show you my cat. That's one of them actually, I have 4 cats, so yeah. Next off, we have a regular battle droid. We've all seen this before, so watch me flick it. Oh crud. I lost it. No, I'm just kidding. Didn't lose it. It just kind of went to a spot where I don't want it to go. Anyway, he's just got a regular blaster. And yeah, nothing new with him. Like there is new stuff with this guy. Then we have a Gungan soldier. So yeah, this is a pretty nice figure, I'd say. It's got the trans purple shield, which I really don't care for. I mean, don't care for like I would, you know, step on it or throw it away. Just not very happy, or not that I'm not happy, just not jumping for it. I mean, I could have lived without it, basically, is what I'm saying. He's got this thing. It's supposed to be like one of those electric grenades on a stick, basically. So yeah, he is has a nice new helmet or headpiece that, if you can see, it's very hard to get off. I mean, you really have to kind of wiggle it off. And here it is. It does have painted. It's painted right there, or printed. And then it's got like a headpiece right there. And then nice detail on the back of it. You can see there's you can kind of see that there's like a little shading job that they've done, that Lego has done. As you can see there, like all around these little things. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the same sculpt as the old one. The only difference is that the old one had pupils like carved into it, basically, or sculpted into it. This one just hasn't printed on there. So that's pretty much the only difference with this guy. He's also has, I'm already at 5 minutes. Anyway, he also has back printing and front printing. He's got some very nice gray legs. They look blue on the camera, but they're gray. And there's his torso. Yeah, guys, I'm showing you through this magnifying glass. So there's his torso. Alrighty, so move that stuff out of the way. Last figure, and probably the best figure, I'd say. Jar Jar Binks. Very nice figure. Once again, pretty much the same headpiece, just that Jar Jar Binks doesn't have the headpiece like when I say headpiece, guys, I mean like this, the brown right there on the top. Jar Jar doesn't have that, and that's basically the only difference that I've seen with Jar Jar Binks. The torso, as well, his head is very hard to get off. Managed to get it off. Very nice shape. Really like it. Seems like it's very disproportioned to the body, but anyway. Now he has those little grenade things that the Gungans throw, and he's got another one right on there. Those things are very nice. Peachish colored arms, as well as this person or the Gungan soldier's peachish colored arms. Like a lightish tan legs, and the back. Oops. So yeah. Alrighty, so that's all with the figures. Sorry it took so long. But I like the figures since I'm a customizer. I love to spend time on the figures. Anyway, now onto the set. Here is the Battle of Naboo. Okay. Starting off, when you look at it, at this angle, probably the thing that would catch your eye, I'd say, would be this light. This is a light that you can just basically move up and down. It's also got these little spikes right here. If you can see that, little tusk claws. This piece can move, kind of traps in the droid like that, and then move it down. Anyway, guys, you got another one of those pilot droids right there. The other pilot droid just stands right there. Yep. So yeah, that's what he looks like. And then you got all these little pieces. There's 3 of them on each side. Yep. Then you can take your battle droid, and basically what you do is you take the gun off the battle droid, and then you place it in that little hole. So you just stick it right there, and then you're just going to place your battle droid right there. And the easiest way to do this, guys, fold the head down, fold the body down, and then you're done. Just do that to all of them. So that's it basically for this, the transporter piece. Very detailed, nice source for all these tan pieces. So yeah, and then now let's take off the back piece. So here's the back piece. I'm already at 9 minutes, guys, so I'm probably gonna have to cut this video into 2 parts. Or I might rush, actually. I don't have to rush. Anyway, you have the 2 pieces that can be removed that hold the droids. You can see right there. One of the guns just flew out, but that's the pieces. And the same, you have the other one. And then this is just the other piece. You just got a few other nice pieces. And, yeah, little discs. These little lightsaber pieces right there. And then you just snap that piece on top and then one on the bottom, and you're good to go. Lastly, the box. Here's the instructions real quick. The box, ages 7 to 12, 7929, Battle of Naboo, 241 pieces. All the figures that you get, the back. Yeah, guys. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Guys Customs. And yeah, thanks guys. Bye.